Good morning, I am Mr. Ish. Thank you for joining me. A single integral question over here. When you see something like this, you should always be thinking about the arctan antiderivative. Something like this will always yield a arctan. The reason for that is whenever you're looking at the derivative of the inverse tangent, that's the end result. Your goal should be look at something like this and convert it into something like that. The manner by which you will do that, it's not difficult. I've presented videos on this in the past, but here we're refreshing that technique. You have to do everything here by means of a very good substitution. You can lay out your substitution as this. You're doing something such that you'll be able to isolate the 3 and you'll be able to cancel that 7, and it would be like this. You're going to bring a root 7 here and a root 3 over here. And you will see that this substitution here will work very well. If x is equal to all of this, u is equal to root 7 over root 3. X is substitution which will come in at the very end, and obviously dx is equal to root 3 over root 7 du. Bring in all of these items here into your integral and modify it. You have 8 sitting outside, you have dx is equal to that. Root 3 over root 7 du over this denominator will get affected by that. 3 plus 7 into root 3 u over root 7 whole square. And now you'll see how this thing will work out. When you open this up, you have 8 root 3 over root 7. You have an integral sign du over 3 plus 7 times 3u square over 7. These cancel out and you can isolate the 3, and that's exactly why I was saying you should do it in this manner. When I isolate the 3, I'm bringing it outside the integral sign. I have a du over 1 plus u square, and that's what I wanted, and that's exactly what I've gotten. And again, when you're looking at something like this, you have to convert it into something like this by means of a good substitution right over here. That substitution will then drive everything which follows. You can simplify all of this. You'll have 8 over, you see this will cancel out with this and make into a root 3. These will combine into root 21. You'll have your arc tan u here is equal to this, which is why I saved this earlier on. Root 7 over root 3 x plus c. But you can rationalize this. Rationalize the numerator and make it look something like this. When you rationalize this numerator, you'll have 7x over root 21, and that right here would be your final answer, and everything is done, and it should be a good answer. Remember, when you're seeing something like this, you're thinking about your arctan antiderivative. You're trying to convert this into that by means of a very good substitution. Thank you for watching.